In Chaitanya Charitamrita, there's some verses that glorify Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his reason for coming, why Lord Chaitanya came. There are external reasons and internal reasons. And he mentions in some verses, he came as a teacher. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is, just like we have prayers, or have a book by Bhaktivinoda, Chaitanya Shiksha Amrita. Shiksha Amrita, the nectarian teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So he came to taste the love of Srimati Radharani and experience her happiness. And what does it mean, her feelings of love when she serves Krishna, how she's tasting Krishna's love. And then, that's internal reasons. Then externally, he came to teach. This is bhakti, this is prema bhakti, this is braja bhakti, this is Vaishnav Sadachar. So he was a great teacher. And oftentimes, professors and people of the modern world, they say, yes, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was a great social reformer. He did away with the caste system. He was a social reformer. He was a great teacher. Teacher. But if you say, well, was he God? Oh, no, he wasn't God. They say like that. So he was, in fact, the greatest. He was the Mahaprabhu, the greatest master, the greatest of all teachers. So he came to teach what? Prem. He came to teach Prem. And this is what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is glorified in Adi Lila 4, verses 100 through 103. Prema bhakti shikaite apane avatari radhabhava kanti dui angikara kari. To teach prema bhakti shika or shiksha, devotional service and love of Godhead, Krishna appeared as Sri Krishna Chaitanya Mahaprabhu with the bhav and kanti, with the mood, mellow or love of Srimati Radharani, Radhabhav, and the kanti, the effulgence, the color, of a complexion of Sri Radha. Yuga Dharma Prabhataran Haya Amshe Hoite Amavina Anye Nare Braja Prema Dite. He says Yuga Dharma Pravartan. The Yuga Dharma in this age, of course, is chanting the holy name, Nam Sankirtan. So Yuga Dharma Pravartan means to establish the Dharma of Kali Yuga. The Kali Yuga Dharma is Nam Sankirtan. Kalo Tad Hari Kirtanat. So he came, but that can be done, he says, Haya Amsha. That can be done establishing, spreading the chanting of the holy name to every town and village all over the world. That can be done not by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who also did it incidentally or secondarily, but it can also be done by any amsha of Krishna, any avatar, like Gaur Narayan. Sometimes the term is there, Gaur Narayan. Because in every Kali Yuga, what is the Dharma in every Kali Yuga? How many Kali Yugas come? Thousands of Kali Yugas come. Say there's 14 manus in a day of Brahma and there's 14 manus in the night. So Lord Chaitanya comes once in the day of Lord Brahma. So that means once every 1,000 Kali Yugas. If you take that phrase to mean half a day, a 12-hour day. Or if you take that term that Lord Chaitanya comes once in a day of Brahma to mean a 24-hour day, then Lord Chaitanya comes once in every 2,000 Kali Yugas. Understand? That means very, very rare. So in those other 1,999 Kali Yugas, or if you want to take it from the other point of 1,000 Yuga cycles, in those other 999 Kali Yugas, who comes to distribute the holy name? Not Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Not this combined avatar of Radha and Krishna, one of his amshas. But he says, Ama vina anye nare braja prema dite. Braja prema dite, only without me, ami vina, without me, braja prema cannot be given. Madhurya prem, sakya prem, vatsalya prem, this wonderful sweet love of the Brijvasis for Krishna, this braja prem cannot be given without me personally coming and giving it. Namo Mahavananyaya Krishna prema pradayate. Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya namne gora chuse namaha. So, then he goes on and says, Avatari Prabhu Pracharila Sankirtan Eho Baya Hetu Purve Karyachi Suchan. He says, Avatari Prabhu, this avatar of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prachar Sankirtan, Pracharila Sankirtan, preaching Sankirtan, preaching chanting Hare Krishna, this was Eho Baya Hetu Purve Karyachi Suchan. This is Bayu Hetu means the external cause. Baya, like Bahir, means the external cause. Prabhupada's translation, the Lord came to propagate Sankirtan. Sankirtan Prachar. That is a external purpose, Bhaya Hetu, as I have already indicated. In every Kali Yuga, there is Yuga Avatar who preaches Yuga Dharma, Sankirtan. But the Gauranga Avatar, who is Prem Purushottam, only comes once in the day of Brahma. So then what is the main cause? What is the main cause that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advents in this world, for which Prabhupada Saraswati is so grateful and so thankful? Of course, he mentions one of his gratitudes is Nam Sankirtan. He's expressing his gratitude, oh, you've given me 4 wonderful gifts. On your birthday, you've come and given me 4 wonderful gifts. So he's acknowledging one of those gifts is Nam Sankirtan. But the other 3 are Vrindavan Prem, Krishna Prem, Shuddha Prem in Vrindavan, and Radhabhav and Brajadam, and the significance of Brajadam. Brajadam was only a farce. It was just a farce for thousands of years. No one cared about it. For thousands of years till Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came and revealed it. Now everyone cares about it. You can see how much people care about it. There were thousands and thousands of trees here 500 years ago. So wherever there was a tree, now there's a house. Because a tree used to be a house for so many Brijvasis. Now the Brijvasis require, big houses and no trees. So now so many people are coming. And now Vrindavan is understood all around the world as our Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada. He, inspired by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he left Sevakunj to bring everybody in the world to Sevakunj. Because Sevakunj means Brajadam. Sevakunj means the forest of Vrindavan where everyone engages in the service of Krishna and Balaram, Gaur-Nitai, non-different, and Radhasham Sundar. So Prabhupada, he expanded that mercy of Lord Chaitanya to bring everybody in the world to Vrindavan. So so that's what Prabhupada Saraswati, he glorified. Yes, okay, Sankirtan, but these 3 other things are the internal reason. And these are the internal, very special, precious gifts, special treasures that Lord Chaitanya has given on his birthday.